Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get into a hypnotic state and also the benefits of getting into a hypnotic state. So the first thing is getting in the benefits of a hypnotic state is that you are able to focus on one suggestion that will help change your life. In this case, we are stopping smoking, or in any other case, even if you are into stage hypnotism or whatever it might be, you are living a suggestion and focusing on a particular thing, which focus is always a good thing. So, hypnosis is not spooky. Hypnosis is a natural state. It's like, for example, you are going to the grocery store and you are driving there and you are so focused on the idea of what you're gonna get, you don't know how you have arrived there, because you are focused on one set of idea. So in this session, we're going to do an idiomotor response, or as I like to call it, and as I learned it in the hypnosis school, is a suggestibility test. So bear with me. We're going to do a suggestibility test right here, right now. Just follow the sound of my voice, just follow my instructions, and this will gauge to me as a hypnotist and will gauge to you your level of suggestibility. This might not work on you because you did not get my suggestions clearly, or you are resisting my suggestions, or you just don't want to be hypnotized. This is not hypnosis, but this is something that we have to do together to see if you are open to suggestions, and this will help you when you listen to my hypnosis tapes, and also you could also learn this to do it on yourself and do it on your friends. What we will do is I want you to put your hands just right in front of you, just like so. Very good. And as you put your hands in front of you, like that, like so, outstretch them like this, okay? I want you to do that move that I've just made and listen to the sound of my voice and listen to my instructions. In the left hand, you have a really heavy book. On the left hand, you have a really heavy red book. I want you to use your imagination now. And on your right hand, you have a really light blue helium balloon. Now close your eyes down. And as you close your eyes down, I want you to imagine once again that you have a really heavy red book, and it is getting heavier and heavier, and it is dragging down and getting heavier and heavier and heavier. Your left arm is getting heavier and heavier because that red book is so heavy. Put a second red book, put a third red book. Your hand is struggling to stay in the same place. It is dragging towards the floor, and the right arm is getting lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter, because that helium balloon is so light. Your right arm is floating, drifting upwards and upwards, up towards the sky. Now pour a second helium balloon. Your right arm is getting lighter and lighter, while your left arm is getting heavier and heavier and heavier. The more you try to lift your left arm, the heavier and heavier it becomes. Now you have doubled the heaviness in your left arm. You have tripled the lightness in your right arm, and your right arm is getting lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter. Your left arm now, focus on the left arm, focus how heavy it has been, and it gets heavier and heavier and heavier and heavier and heavier and heavier. Your right arm lighter and lighter, right arm lighter and lighter, your right arm lighter and lighter. Now freeze there and open your eyes. If you have something like this, it means you are suggestible. Being suggestible is a good thing because you can go in and out of hypnosis each and every time, not only by a hypnotist, which you might be scared because someone else is controlling you, but also in self-hypnosis. So that is the suggestibility test number 1. It is called light and heavy. Do this, practice this, and listen to the suggestions. Try it over and over again. Also, you could try it with your friends. And I have done these suggestibility tests in this course, in this video, because I want to see how susceptible you are to hypnosis. And I want to give you exercises that are going to help you to get into hypnosis, to quit smoking, remove stress, etc., etc. Thank you very much. And yeah, and it's also something fun you could do. We will speak soon. Thank you.